fiery. Roots are looking fiery. Ugh. I feel like my hair still smells like dye. There's like strands from my half wig that are like coming out of my hair still. I wish that I could get bleach. I could bleach my brows to make a match. I think I just left it on a little too long because now my roots are fiery. Hold on. I might have fucked up. I think. What are we thinking? Hold on. Is it matching? Is it matching? Well, swoop. What y'all think? This is not how I'm gonna wear it, of course, but I think it's like, I think that it matches enough. I look a mess. There's approximately 6 days until Mexico, and I'm still trying to figure out how to pack my bag to fit on the plane as a personal item. Am I actually trying to figure that out right now? No, I started off trying to figure that out. This is my bag over there and how it's looking. I started trying to figure that out, and then I laid down and I started watching TikTok because I'm fucking tired. I will figure it out. I've got these bags. They aren't helping. I don't think packing cubes will help either. And I'm just trying to figure out, I want to bring a lot of shit. I need a lot of shit, okay? When I travel, I mean, I don't always bring a check bag, but I at least bring my little carry-on suitcase. And the fact that I have to downsize to a fucking book bag is just not going to work. It's just not working out for me right now. And I still have to fit my birthday top. It's a beaded top. Can't roll that. So I still have to be able to fit that in my bag. And yeah. So yeah. Niggas pissing me off. You nail techs? Bro, I'm just trying to find a good nail tech. This is so hard. Yes, it is. And in order to find a good nail tech, you gotta go through a couple bad ones. And that's what I'm experiencing right now. Oh my God. They told myself put the girl on blast because I did a whole rant in my close friends. And everybody like, oh no, put her on blast, put her on blast. Like, nah, I ain't gonna be that girl like that. She was young. Of course I'm gonna put y'all in what I wanted my nails to look like. I wanted them to be green. I wanted to have like a lot of green going on because I wanted to match my I really wanted to match my beaded top that I made for my birthday. Like just have like, you know, it be like a pastel green emerald color. That's what I want. Pastel green emerald color. This is what I ended up leaving with. If the camera will focus, hold on. I ended up leaving with my nails looking like these. I'll post a better picture. I'll post a picture of what they looked like when I first left. Okay, there we go. These are just nude here instead of where the green was. Green was supposed to be on this nail, and on this nail. And this is supposed to be a French, but it's a nude French, which you really can't see because you can probably see just a little bit because it's a nude color. So when I got there, she was trying to scrape. She did the shape. I think the shape is good and everything. The application was good. I don't think that the application or anything was messy of the nails, but when it got to the polish, it was just not working out. I saw her like trying to scrape the bottom of the barrel of the bottle to get the green out. And I was just like, it's okay if you just don't have enough green. And she only had one type of green, mind you. And the one type of green that she had just was not giving. But she was like mixing other colors to make it kind of similar to the green that I wanted. So, which I should have brought my own gel polish. No, the fuck I shouldn't have. She should have just did a better job at communicating that she didn't have the color I wanted. Because I brought this green to put on my toes because I thought that I was going to have a similar green on my hands to match it. Whatever. But she was scraping the bottle of the bottom of the barrel for the green polish. And so I was just like, okay. I was like, well, for this nail, for my pinky nail, because I want to green on this one too. Because this is what the nails are supposed to look like. So I was like, okay, that's okay. You don't have to do green on the pinky since you, like, you know, don't have that much green. You could just do gold. Like, we could just do the gold for the pinky, and we could just do, you know, less nails for the, less green nails since you don't have that much green. So she's like, okay. And then she started applying the green, like mixing this color together for the green. I was looking at it, I was like, oh, okay. Like, you know, I'm gonna trust the process. Maybe it's gonna look better once it's applied. It didn't. Still trying to trust the process. Then she did the ombre, the airbrush over there with it. And I was like, yeah. This still isn't hitting. This still is not hitting the same. And then there's supposed to be like a white outline around this nail. It's supposed to be a white outline around it. And so she did that. I put my hand in the nail lamp as she was doing the other one, and I took it out and I was looking at it, and I was telling myself, I'm like, you know what, Jasmine, you're not really satisfied with this. Let her know. You're paying money to get your nails done for your birthday, to really treat yourself. So let her know. Let her know that you don't like it. Let her know. I let her know that she don't like it. I was like, well, can we just take this off and just do like a nude color or something like that? I'm just really not liking the way that this is turning out. And she was like, okay. So she started taking off the one nail. I was like, well, take it off the French tip too, because, like, you know, I don't want just one green nail for the French tip. So she ended up taking off both of them, and I don't know, like, I pretty much told her that it didn't look good and that her work was bad, I guess. or I guess that's how it was perceived or how it was taken in. So she took it off the one nail. Mind you, she already started doing on this nail, and this hand is already in the lamp getting cured. So she starts taking it off this hand, and then she stops, and then she's on her phone, and she's like, typing real quick, real fast. She's texting somebody real fast. Boom, 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 boom. Click, 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 click. Like the whole time, texting somebody real fast. I'm like, okay. And so I'm sitting here for like 5 minutes, and she's just typing. I'm like looking at my phone. I'm looking at the TV. Then I'm looking back at her because I'm not just trying to. I don't know. I'm just odd like that. I'm not just trying to stare at her. But it's like, why aren't you doing my nails? Why are you doing other stuff? And I'm not your friend or nothing like that. I'm a client. I'm buying something from you. I'm buying a service from you. I'm paying for a service from you. So why are you here texting back and forth with somebody real quick or whatever right after I told you to take the polish off? To me, in my noggin, that tells me that you're texting about me. So I get my phone out. I didn't text about it. But I was like, I was on my phone typing and stuff. I was like, okay, let me go ahead and put my card back on Cash App so that when she finishes, I could just go ahead and pay her and I could get up out of here. And so, she starts working back on the nails and stuff like that. And then I just tell her, I was like, well, don't even worry about the white around the perimeter of the nail and stuff like that, because I was just worried about not liking it because she didn't have a whole bunch of white and stuff. She told me that she was low on polish and stuff like that, and her shipment was supposed to come. Mind you, she's doing nails out of her home and stuff. It's like her package was supposed to come, but it just kept getting delayed. It was just a lot. Okay. Am I satisfied with my nails? They don't look as bad as they were going to look, is what I will say. This nail is bare, and it's crazy because what I'm about to say, because I just paid. Well, she took $5 off the top or whatever. She took $5 off the nails or whatever, which I already planned on not giving her a tip. I always tip, mind you. I always tip my nail techs. I always tip, period. But just from the texting and stuff, after the extended amount of time of texting and stuff, after I told her that I didn't like the way that my nails were coming out, that just gave me weird vibes. So I did not tip. So she ended up taking $5 off the total of what the remainder of my balance or whatever. So I felt like that was okay. So I ended up paying $75 for this, which that's not terrible, I guess, because you got to equate for the charm. You have to equate for the whatever this is, this 3D gel shit, whatever. Count for that. I'm not gonna let that ruin. I'm not gonna let that ruin me, okay? My toes. I need to get my toes done. I was trying to do it myself. I guess I'll do my toes I'm tired of spending money. All right, y'all. If there's any pay pigs out there that would like to donate to my cause for my birthday, here's a Cash App, okay? I've got fucking cramps. I'm so tired. I've been trying to figure out how to pack my stuff in my bag to where my bag is not fucking bulging, because I need to bring a fucking personal item, because United does not let basic economy flyers fly with a carry-on. So I'm trying to figure that out without downsizing much anymore. Did I already say that I have cramps? Yeah, I have cramps. My period just started today. We leave for the trip in 2 days. My birthday is in 3. My birthday is in 3 fucking days. When do y'all think is an appropriate time to crash out? Mind you, I got pizza yesterday. I'm expecting after I come back from this nail appointment to eat pizza. Boxes on the ground, flipped upside down. And there's a bite taken out of it. Because of this fat fuck here. He eats pizza. So now I'm eating noodles because 10:30 on a Monday.
Does it mean nothing to you?
I have decided
It means that you don't listen. It means you profoundly
to go ahead and pay the $70 and bring my carry-on. Because there is no fucking way that this bag is gonna fit to be a personal item. So